Now we will discuss about linear polynomials. Any polynomial whose degree is 1 is called linear polynomial, or any polynomial with degree 1 is called linear polynomial. Let us illustrate linear polynomial with some examples. F of t equal to t plus 2. In this polynomial, we have considered t as a variable and the power of t is 1. So this is a linear polynomial because any polynomial with degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. F of x equal to 2x plus 2 is also a linear polynomial because here we have considered x as a variable and the degree of x is 1. So it also comes under the category of linear polynomial. So we can say that linear polynomial can have at most 2 terms. That means the maximum number of terms which are possible in linear polynomial is 2. We can say that the general form of linear polynomial is ax plus b. Ax plus b is a form of